Okay, good morning all of you in this session. In this session of class 12 maths, let's have a look at these three simultaneous equations. X plus y plus z is 3, 2x plus y plus z is 4, x plus 2y plus 3z is 6. So let's have a look at these three simultaneous equations. Now, for these three equations, we can convert them into a matrix equation like this. Just write down the coefficients of x, y, z. So you convert these three equations into a matrix equation. So just write the coefficients of x, y, z. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3 into x, y, z is 3, 4, 6. So this is the corresponding matrix equation for these three linear simultaneous equations in three variables. You already know how to solve three equations like this. There are some very basic techniques in algebra by which you can solve the, three equations like this. But what we are going to see today is that how do we solve these three equations using matrices. So first of all, this matrix, you call it as A, this you can call it as suppose B, and suppose this is this X, this B. So A, X and B. Now what you do is you multiply both sides with A inverse. So A inverse into A into X is equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse into A will be identity. So X will be A inverse into B. So you are having three simultaneous equations in three variables, and the corresponding solution is A inverse into B. Now how do you find A inverse? And of course once you have found A inverse, you have to multiply it with B. But how do you find A inverse? So what you have to do is, you will have to first find the adjoint of A. The adjoint of A. So what is adjoint of A? You suppress any row or column. Like first element 1, you suppress the row and column, and whatever is left, you do determinant of that. Then you suppress first row, second column, and determinant. Then first row, third column, then determinant, then second column, this thing, then you suppress this and this. Okay, this will be 1, 1, 2, 3. Then this will be 1, 1, 1, 3. And then you suppress this. So 1, 1, 1, 2. Then finally you suppress this. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Then you suppress this. So 1, 1, 2, 1. And finally you suppress this, so 1, 1, 2, 1. And then you do the transpose of this. So this will be 1, this will be minus 1, this will be 0, this will be minus 1, this will be 2, this will be minus 1, this will be 0, this will be 1, and this will be minus 1. And like I said, you do transpose of this. So transpose means interchange row and column. So after doing transpose, this is what you will get. Now this is called the adjoint of A. So you have got the adjoint of A, and now what you will have to do is, you will have to take the first row of A and the first row of this and multiply them. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 1 into 0 is 0. Okay, now here what has happened actually, you see, if you just subtract the first two equations you will get x, and if you put x okay, sorry, this is not 0. Actually, I'm sorry, this is not 0. Actually, 2 to the 4 minus 1 is will be 3. This will not be 0. So, 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1, and 3 into 1. So, actually, it is coming to 3, sorry, not 0. And this is also not minus 1. This is minus 5. Okay, so once again 1 into 1 minus 5 into 1 plus 3 into 1. So it's coming minus 1. Yeah, now it's okay. So this A inverse, so this value is called the determinant of A. So A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint A into B. So this is the value of A inverse. So determinant A is minus 1. Adjoint A is what we got over here. 1 minus 1 0 minus 5 2 1 3 minus 1 1, and you have to multiply that with 3 4 6. So 1 by determinant A into adjoint A into B is what you have to do. So 1 by minus 1 into adjoint A into B. So now if you multiply these two, so this will be minus 1, this is also minus 1, this is also minus 1. So ultimately it is coming to 1 1 1. So that means the answer will be 1 1 1. So x y z will be 1 1 1. So that will be the solution of these three equations, right? So in this way we can solve this type of question. So I am just giving you only one homework question, just one. So 2x plus y plus 2z is 9, x plus 2y plus 3z is 10, x plus y plus z is 5. So these are the three equations, and you will have to solve the three by this method and find x, y, z. Okay, so this is the only homework question. You have to solve these three equations by this method and find x, y, z. Okay, so you can submit the homework by 9 p.m. Wednesday tomorrow. That will be all. Bye all of you.